People in any country in the Caribbean think that we are very special. Nobody else talks the way we do in our country. People from other parts of the Caribbean speak with an accent. They sound different until we listen. And then we hear words, phrases, expressions, grammatical structures that we know. Where could they possibly have heard them from? Did they spend time in our country? Jamaicans, Guyanese, Belizeans, and Vincentians all use the same word picnic to mean child and nyam to mean eat. Is it something in the air or is it something in the sea? What makes us so similar? People from French Guiana, St. Lucia, and Guadeloupe use the same form ka before a verb when they wish to say that the action is ongoing, like in ikavini, he is coming. French has no such structure, so where did it come from? Our languages are new. They are created by the transportation of slave labor from Africa to work on the plantations set up by Europeans in the Americas. So, we are more similar than we are different. And well, that's the fun of doing what I do for a living, studying Caribbean Creole languages. There are close to 40 different Creole languages spoken in the Caribbean. Some take their words for the most part from English, languages like Jamaican, Guyanese, Antiguan, and so on.
Yeah. Mr. Oku, can you tell me your full name? Your full name. Say it for me.
My full name? My full name is Nakali name. I tell you the name what me I work with. All about where me got to go do like any paperwork and so many and go up at the Google. Gaurapati Gokul. My old man is a Gokul. Daddy take me a
Gokul. Okay. Gokul. Alright. So, but around here, how are you called?
They call me La Quanti. La Quanti. Yes, just so they call me. You know, since me day in the place. But Daddy write me one again.
Then they break it down and they shorten it to Loco.
Yes.
Alright, the nickname.
Yes. And the old man then they call he Hurry By. My old man dead, then I can't write me, I can't hurry by.
Okay.
He been a hurry to can't hurry by. He lived to be girl, can't hurry by.
Yes, yes.
You see the picnic, them used to the old man, and the old man used to the picnic.
That says a lot about the kind of person you are. Can I touch your arm? I noticed they have a pretty thing here.
Yes. You see, when I be married, I be modern lamp, that belongs to India. So they say you just got to take this little thing on your hand.
So everybody
no,
has that?
Nobody.
Okay.
Who mother-in-law, father-in-law want, then take on them, take on.
Oh, and your mother-in-law and your father-in-law, they wanted that. And you've had it since then?
Long, since I'm married.
Pretty.
Yes.
You see?
This not yet out.
It's real pretty. So what does it mean? Do you know? What this mean? Does it symbolize something?
Say like you see them people guys, you know how India people stand and say, like when High Nation people come. Then it is good when you get this, so you hand them one cup tea and cup water. That the High Nation people. Like say the Pandit. And the Brahman people, you know, that's why they so these are good for your take.
Okay.
Other languages take their vocabularies from French. Languages like Haitian, Dominican French Creole, or the French Creole traditionally spoken in Trinidad.
Okay. If I want to ask to say, I'm here now and I want to tell you good afternoon in Patois. What would I say?
Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi?
Bon après-midi.
Okay, fine, good. And I'm saying, how are you? I'd say what? If I want to ask you, how are you?
Kumawiye.
Kumawiye. Yes, I'm asking now. Kumawiye.
Malatibwen.
Okay. Malatibwen.
Malatibwen.
Malatibwen. That means you're...
A little.
Okay, so you're not too bad. Okay, fine. Kino.
No, Mr. Catherine.
Catherine say, Kwenomu. Kwenomu. Kwenomu.
No, Mr. Catherine, vous voulez connaître non, moi, et puis petite, moi.
Catherine, what's your last name?
Isidore.
Is it? Okay.
And that's what I asked you. If you want to know my name and my surname.
Name. Right.
Ouvre connaître nom et puis titre-moi. Titre-moi is my surname.
Okay. Good. Quel âge vous?
40 l'année.
40 l'année?
40.
How much is that in English?
80.
18. Okay. Each fireman is still looking young though.
Huh?
Ooh, if I want to say you look young, what do I say? Ukagade Jen. Kimon apanu pupale patwa.
Guamama mwe.
Where Guama?
Yeah, my grandmother.
Okay. You used to talk it all the time?
No.
There are as well Dutch Creoles such as Nega Hollands, previously spoken in what is now the U.S. Virgin Islands, or the case of Berbice Dutch Creole in Guyana. And there are Portuguese Creoles such as Papiamento, spoken in Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao.